The heavens approved and the weather was good for a fun-filled day. Staff members of the JIS, family members and friends were making the usual visit to the Mount Olivet Home for Boys in Manchester for their annual sports day. Over the years, the team has been redirecting some of its energies towards the wholesome development of about 30 wards of the state through a number of interventions.
The Mount Olivet Boys Home here in Walderston, Manchester, is the JIS's corporate social responsibility project. It was selected by members of staff. We assessed the needs. We came together and we decided that we would adopt this home 6 or so years ago.
Along with helping out the home with food and clothing supplies and assisting with the general upkeep of the facility, since 2009, the JIS team has also been providing encouragement and mentorship for the boys.
It makes us feel good as members of staff, as a JIS family, to know that we're giving back, we're investing in a boy's life. And right here we have so many boys that are in need of comfort and encouragement and mentoring, and we just want to be able to give back and invest in their lives.
Every April, sport is drafted into the mix. Mount Olivet boys and JIS staff, past and present, all look forward to the activity-filled trip. On the modern play areas, created courtesy of Johan Blake's charity, they gather. Red, yellow, blue and greenhouse all revved up for some friendly competition in the contest of agility, dexterity, balance, coordination and strength, and other skills? At the end, Greenhouse came out victorious with the most points, followed by the competitive red, yellow and blue house teams. But everyone got the main prize.
From what we have seen, the boys have enjoyed the whole setting for today. This is something that they look forward to each year with the JIS.
The JIS Mount Olivet Sports Day was not complete without the cake and cheers for those who celebrated their birthdays since our last trip, specifically the January, February, March and April people. It was all only made possible due to the support of numerous sponsors and partners like Why Be Afraid and Wysinco, Maxfield Bakery, Coldfield Manufacturers, Tasty and JUTC. With their help, the JIS team visits the home multiple times per year to mark and celebrate milestones like the new school year, Easter and Christmas. And while Sports Day 2016 is now history, the year-round support still flows as preparations are in gear for an upcoming visit in August to continue supporting the growth and development of Mount Olivet's boys.
Each time you're not paying full attention to the road environment, the greater your chances of getting in a crash like that. Plan routes to avoid focusing on GPS systems, prevent children from roaming in motor vehicles, turn down the volume of car stereo systems, pull off the roadway if you have to use mobile devices, do not read, watch television or eat while driving, avoid multitasking, and keep conversations with other passengers to a minimum. Whether you walk, ride or drive, avoid potentially fatal distractions.
And that brings us to the end of today's edition of Jamaica Magazine. We value your feedback, so keep the link. Tell us what you thought of the show. Send an email to jamaicamagazine@jis.gov.jm or hit us up on Twitter @JIS News. Also, click on our website jis.gov.jm for more programs and our YouTube channel Watch JIS. Until next time, I'm Tamara McHale reminding you to take care of your health. Eat well, exercise, get adequate rest, and make every day a productive one.
This has been a production of the Jamaica Information Service, the voice of Jamaica.